In the heart of the ancient forest, a glimmer of sunlight beckoned a young princess to explore beyond the palace walls. Brimming with boldness, she took her first step into the enchanting woods, the whispers of the trees guiding her path. Each rustle of leaves and chirp of birds danced around her, igniting her adventurous spirit as she ventured forth. At the heart of the forest, a magical oasis revealed itself, beckoning her closer with a whisper of mystery and wonder. A breathtaking sight unfolded before her, as a creature of myth and legend stepped into the realm of reality, bridging fantasy with truth. A silent connection blossomed between the two, weaving a tale of friendship and magic in the unspoken language of their souls. With courage as her guide, she reached out, her heart racing in rhythm with the dance of destiny unfurling before her. The forest guardians, silent sentinels of wisdom, offered their presence in a silent vow to aid the young princess in her quest. Through darkness and danger, she ventured forth, a beacon of courage lighting the path to redemption and healing. In the heart of the cavern's depths, a gift of nature awaited her, a talisman of hope and renewal in her quest to heal the unicorn. With the herb cradled in her palms, she emerged victorious from the depths of adversity, a testament to her resilience and compassion. In a moment of grace and harmony, the princess bestowed the gift of healing upon the creature of legend, forever binding their fates in a tale of courage and kindness.